Good morning, everyone. Hello, it's Miss Kendra again from Learn and Play Montessori School. How are you doing today? So good. Me too. Well, maybe we got a really good night's sleep. Maybe we've been drinking lots of water, so our bodies are really feeling good. Now, today, let's start by looking at the calendar. Now, we know there are 7 days in the week. What is today right now? Today is Wednesday. That's right. What was yesterday? Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. That's right. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Thank you very much. Tomorrow is Thursday. The date today is the 19th. And the month is what? August. The month is August. And the year is 2020. So when we say the date today, we will say today is Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. And can you tell me what season it is? We have 4 seasons. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. What season are we in right now? Summer. Yeah, it's so hot. It's summer. It's summertime. That's right. And what is the weather? What is the weather right now in our summer? Is it cloudy? Rainy? So sunny. It's so sunny. That's right. And because it's so sunny, is it so cold? Hot. It's so hot. And when it's hot, we drink lots of water. That's right. Lots of water. Okay. And do you remember I told you what my name was? What's my name? Miss Kendra. That's right. What's your name? Okay. Do we have the same name? No, we have our own name. I have my name and you have your name. And our name is filled with letters. So today, let's make some of those letters ourselves. Okay, I have some sand, and I'm going to make some letters in the sand. Do you have sand? You do? Some of you? That's great. We can use sand, or we can use salt, or rice, or something like that. I have some sand at school, so I'm going to use sand to make some letters. And after, I'm going to use a little bit of beads to make some letters. So I will bring these over as well. So today we're just making some letters. Maybe we can make the letters in our names. My name starts with a big K. So I will take my 2 fingers to trace a K in the sand. Let's see if we can make these letters. Here's my big K. Do you see the sand is moving? Can you see my big letter K? Yeah. And I'm making sure to put my sand tray on another tray so if it spills, it's an easy cleanup. Sometimes we spill, sometimes. Now I'm ready for the next letter, so I'm gonna try to make this K disappear. Okay. Now what is the second letter in Kendra? First letter was K. The second letter is E, a small E. I can make a small E in my sand. Can you see that letter? Yeah, what letter do you see? That's right, that's my small E. Do you have a small E in your name? You do? Some of you do? Yeah. What is the first letter in your name? Letter A? Let's try a big letter A. Here we go. We made a letter A. Super. Do you think we could make some more letters? Yeah, I think so. Well, how about a small a? Let's make a small a. Really good job. And this is something we can do anytime also. Let's do a couple more letters. How about a small t? There we go. Here's our small t. Do you think we could make letters with something else? What about with these beads up here? I'm going to shake the sand off of me and try to make some letters with these beads. Let's see if I can make some of these letters on the table. Now I want to make a letter O. Whose name starts with O? Oliver? Yeah. Does that look like one small O? Kind of. Let's make some beads all the way into the shape of an O. Now to pick up my pieces, I'm using my 3 fingers. Does it start to look like an O? What letter does it look like now? It looks like a little C. Let's close that up and make it a letter O. Now we have a letter O. What if we make it a letter D? That's a small D. Awesome. And you know, when we're at home, we could do this out of anything. You could make letters out of your socks. Wouldn't that be funny? You want to make some letters out of your socks? Okay, maybe we can do that later. You know, but I'm really excited about doing some painting and some mixing colors. Should we do some of that? Yeah? Okay, let's do some painting and mixing colors. This is going to be a little bit of science. I know my friends asked for some science. So first I'm going to tuck my chair and I'm going to tidy up my jobs that I have here. So I will be ready, my table will be clean and ready for some painting. I'm really excited. I love painting. Do you like painting? You do? That's awesome. Now I need my papers. And I'm ready to go. So I'm going to put my name at the top of all of these papers right now. Because after I start painting, I might have a little bit messy fingers. So let's put our name on the top at all of these pages. We have 3 pages here for our science coloring. Can you tell me my name? I forgot. Miss Kendra, that's right. And it is August 19th, 2020. So let's take a look at this first page. So I have some paint here ready, and I have 3 colors. Do you see these colors I have up here? What colors do I have? Red, yellow, and blue. Awesome. Do you see those words down here? Red, yellow, blue. And we have space on the line here to write those colors. Let's write those colors here. Red. First letter, small r. E, D. Red. And then is yellow. Let's write yellow on the line. Y, E, L, L, O, W. Yellow. And blue. Let's write blue on the line. B, L, U, E. Now I will finish writing the rest later. Let's fill in these colors. And when we fill in these colors, if we're using paint, we're not going to use so much paint, just a little bit of paint. If we use so much paint, our papers might rip, and I don't want that. So let's just use a little bit of paint. The first color is red. So let's use our red paint to fill in that circle. Okay? How's it going? Is your circle red? It is. So is mine. And what's the next color? I see yellow. So yes, let's use our yellow to fill in this circle. Excellent job. Nice focus. Thank you. And the last color we have here is blue. Let's use our blue to fill in this circle. And just a little bit. We don't need so much. Just a little bit. Okay. So these, my friends, are the primary colors. Red, yellow, blue are the primary colors. We can make all the other colors in the whole world with just these 3 colors. But to do that, we need to mix them just right to get all those colors. So let's see here. I see, what is this word? Yellow. And this is plus red. Yellow plus red equals, what do you think? Well, let's see. Let's put a yellow in the yellow. And the red in the red circle. Now I think I'm going to need a few more paintbrushes. I have my red circle red. Now I have yellow and red. We need to put them together, see what we're going to get. Let's do that now. So here's my red, and we're going to mix it with yellow. Okay, what do you see now? Wait a second. That's not yellow or red. What is that? You guys, we made orange. Yellow plus red equals orange. Okay, and we can write that below, orange. With our 3-finger grasp, we can write orange. And later, I'm going to finish writing yellow and red. Okay? Good job. Now let's take a look at the next colors to make. Here we have yellow plus blue. What do you think yellow plus blue is going to make? Yeah, maybe. We need to find out. Let's mix yellow and blue. So here's my yellow circle. And now we're ready to make our blue circle. And today I'm using so many paintbrushes because we are mixing colors. Now we're mixing what colors? Yellow plus blue. Let's see what we're gonna get. I'm gonna put some blue in there. Then we need to add some yellow because we're gonna mix. What do you think we're gonna get? Okay, let's see. Mixing all together. What do you see? What color do you see? Goodness, that's not yellow, that's not blue. What do we have? Yeah, we have green. Let's write green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. So yellow plus blue equals green. What are we going to put together next? Red plus blue. What is red and blue going to make together? What do you think? I'm going to paint my red circle. And now I need some blue. And some blue. Now we're gonna mix these two together. Do you think we're gonna get green again? Let's see. Here's our blue. And we need some more red. Okay. I'm seeing a different color. Oh, wow. A totally different color. It's a little bit dark, but this is red plus blue. What is this? Yeah, that made a really dark purple color. Red plus blue equals purple. Let's write purple on this line. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Red plus blue equals purple. Wow, you guys, we made all of those colors, orange, green, and purple, from only 3 primary colors. So we call red, yellow, and blue primary colors. Can you say primary colors? Good job. And what are the primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue. And when we mix those primary colors, we got secondary colors. Can you say secondary colors? Yeah, and the secondary colors that we got mixing are orange, green, and purple. So when we take a look at our next worksheet, I'm going to put these papers on the shelf to dry. When we look at our next worksheet here, we see orange, green, and purple. In here, let's use those mixed colors to make orange. What colors make orange? Can you remind me? Yellow and red. That's right. So let's get some yellow and a little bit of red. We'll mix those together, and now what do you see? Dun, da, da, da. Orange. And what colors mixed together make green? Yes, yellow and blue. Let's get some yellow and blue. Oh man, we're already turning. Yellow and blue makes green. Okay, we have one more color to make. Purple. Do you remember what primary colors make purple? Red and blue. You guys are doing wonderful. Red and blue. I'm happy when my friends are remembering so much. And blue. Mix it together and we get purple. Now, later we can write all of these colors on the lines here. In this box, it says to create a rainbow. You remember what a rainbow looks like, right? A rainbow has all those primary colors and all those secondary colors. Can we make a rainbow? Yeah, let's start with red. Okay, we have some red. And then next we'll have some orange. How are we going to make orange? We've got to mix yellow and red. So let's put our yellow next to the red. And now we mix it together, we see orange. Can you see that? Okay. And what's after yellow? Right? Green and blue. So let's use some blue to make yellow, to make green and blue. So here's our blue. We're going to mix it a little bit with yellow and we see green. Now how are we going to make purple? What are we going to add to this blue? The red. Wow! We made a rainbow. And then we can do red. And then orange. Or then yellow. Pardon me. We have our orange there and our yellow. And then we need some blue to make the green. You guys, that's amazing. We used all these colors to make a rainbow. Now I'm ready to put mine back and ready to dry. So I need to clean up my materials and put my paper to the shelf ready to dry. Oops! I forgot to tuck my chair first. Sorry about that. I don't want to trip over my chair. I need to tuck it in. Put this on the shelf to dry. And I need to tidy up the rest of my materials. All right, Miss Kendra needs to clean all those paintbrushes later. And everything back to where it belongs. Are you all ready to sing a song with me? You are? I've been practicing. So, this is our back at school song. You ready? Here's my best shot. 1, 2, 3. We're back at school, there's so much to do. Learn reading, writing, math, and science too. Gonna make new friends, see my good friends again. Our school is really cool. We're happy to be back at school. Back at school, oh yeah. Back at school, all right. Back at school, yeah, yeah, yeah. We're happy to be back at school. I'm gonna listen to my teacher and learn a lot. How to read, write, and never stop. Follow classroom rules, set my goals high. Be helpful to others, show respect, and be kind. We love to work. We love to play. We love to learn every day. A new school year has begun. We love making learning fun. Yeah! We're back at school. There's so much to do. Learn reading, writing, math, and science too. Gonna make new friends, see my good friends again. Our school is really cool. We're happy to be back at school. Back at school, oh yeah. Back at school, all right. Back at school, yeah, yeah, yeah. We're happy to be back at school. We're happy to be back at school. Ah, yay! Thanks for singing with me. I miss Miss Alice. She's such a beautiful singer, but I'm happy to have my friends at home singing with me. Now let's jump into some math. Because we do math at school, right? Yeah, we do. Okay, let's go ahead and get 2 mats. I'm going to use my 2 mats. So I'm going to pick my 1 mat up and then I'm going to come back for the next. Now when we're doing math, sometimes we will roll our mats out vertically instead of horizontally. So it's going to look a little bit different. And that is okay. I need 1 more mat using my walking feet. 2 hands, more walking feet. And then I'm ready to get my materials. Today, we're gonna take a look at the teen board. So I'm gonna get my worksheet and my teen board. There's lots of pieces, so sometimes we get up and down and move a lot. That's okay, because we're hard workers, right? Yeah. Hard work is no problem for us. So yesterday we reviewed our 1 through 10, right? Can you count with me to 10? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was that hard? That was easy? Okay, that's awesome. Now let's take a look at 11 through 20 today. We're going to take another look at our beads again. Now let's see here. First, I'm going to take out this first portion of the teen board. So here we can see so many numbers. What numbers do we see? What numbers? Can you tell me? That's right. I see tens. Okay. So when we were counting tens up to 10, we were using these small colorful beads. So we know always when we're doing Montessori jobs, the gold beads are 10. This is our 10 bar. And these are a single unit. This is 1 unit. This is a 10 bar, right? This is 2 units, this is a 10 bar. So here I see the number 10. So we are going to put a 10 bar next to each number 10. Okay, so this is 10 beads, 10 next to. And again, I see a number 10 here. I will put a 10 bead here. And again, a 10 bead here. And then again, is that a 10 bead? Is that 10? No, that's not gold. So when we're at school, we know that if it's not gold, then it's not the 10 bar. And 10. Number 10. Okay, so we have 10 bars all here. Now that's a lot of number 10s. Guess what? We need a few more number 10s. And here is the second half. Do you see more 10? Yeah, so let's put our 10 bars next to our 10. And I don't see anything here, so I'm not going to put anything there. Now, we can see we are ready to take out our numerals. So these are our beads. These are our numerals, right? And this numeral is 10. Here are all of our single-digit numerals. Right, we needed 2 mats for this job. This job is big. Okay, so let's take a look. We have all of our 10 beads here. And now we want to talk about number 11. So we are going to add 1 single unit. And here's our number 1. So let's add our single unit here. And then we're going to move it. This 10 bar is here for this 10. And this 1 is here. We can add them together. 10 plus 1. And slide in this number. 11. 10 and 1 unit together is 11. Great job. Okay, and here we're going to add 2. Let's find our 2 unit. 1, 2. We're going to bring it over here, move our 10 to this side. And do you see the numeral 2? We sure got it. So we're going to add that together. 10 and 2. 10, 11, 12. Our 12 looks like this. 10 and 2. Here we're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you see the numeral 3 down here? We got it. Let's slide that in. Or put next to 3, 10, and 3 together looks like this. 13. Now let's look at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move our 10 to this side and our 4 beads here. Do you see a numeral 4? No worries, I got it. Now we're going to put together 10 plus 4 units. Together looks like this. And same with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our numeral 5. 5 units and 10 bar together looks like this. 15. Now we're going to add one more, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our numeral 6. Now we're going to put 6 and 10 together. Looks like this. Great job. Let's do 7. 7 is white. And these colors always stay the same. 7 is always white. 10 is always gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 10 on this side. Do you see the numeral 7? We got it. Now we're going to put 7 units with 10. It looks like this. 17. After 7 is 8. Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see the numeral 8? Fantastic. Now we're going to bring 8 units together with 10. And that looks like this. 18. Next is 9. 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see a numeral 9? We sure do. Let's bring 9 units to 10. That looks like this. Fantastic. Good job, everyone. So we can see all of these numbers and what they look like. Let's take another look and say them all together. Ready? This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And what comes after 19? 19 has a 9 units and a 10 bar. What's 9 plus 1? 10. So next will be a 10 bar and a 10 bar. How much is this all together? Yeah, that's 20. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here would be a 20. We could say a 2 and a 0. Can you trace that yourself? 2, 0. Excellent job. Now on our worksheet here, we want to write our name, date, and these numbers. Here we have a 10 bar and a single unit. How much is that? That's 11. So we would write 11 up here in this box. And what color is the single unit? The single unit is red. We would color this red. Okay? And so on for both sides. Our 10 bar is gold, 2 beads is green, 3 beads is pink, yellow. Okay? And if you forget, we can come back and look at this image here. Right? We see red, green, pink, yellow, blue, purple, white, brown, dark blue, and these are gold because these are 10 bars. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this material, and then we're ready to talk about some things that we will see in the classroom. We're gonna see a lot of different things in the classroom, right? Like we can always see, we see this material. We see this material, and we see, what else do you see in the classroom? Yeah, you see chairs. Yeah, we're gonna need to sit down to do our work. What else do you see in the classroom? A mat, yes. And when we put away our jobs, do we put it away sloppy? Or we put it away nice and neat? Yeah, we put it away nice and neat because our friends are gonna use this next, and I wouldn't want them to have a big mess. I love my friends. I want them to have tidy materials. Okay, and then we put this on top. And the next one. And we'll close. Can I leave this on the floor? No, these are our materials. We treat them nicely and we take them back to the shelf. After everything's back to the shelf, we're ready to roll our mats. Okay, and always when we roll our mats, we're gonna start with a small fold. Roll, roll, pull. Roll, roll, pull. Walking feet back to where it belongs. And one more mat. Okay. Roll, roll, pull, roll, roll, pull. We're ready to go. Now we have one more worksheet. And this is a worksheet that we're going to be able to do when we're at home. Okay? Hopefully, in our Zoom classes, maybe you can show your teachers what you have in your home classroom. We have a worksheet that looks like this, and we can draw pictures of things that we see in our classroom. We can do things that we see in our classroom at school or in our classroom at home. Thanks for doing all that science and color mixing with me. That was really fun. We made so many colors, all from those 3 primary colors. What are they? Yellow, red, and blue. That's right. Okay, you guys, I'm excited to see you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.